to Berry Playground. We're going to go to it. It's a workout park. And we're going to get behind you. I'm running. Hey! Here's Jensen riding his scooter around this road bit. Bumps. See if he can make it. Yeah. Filling up with petrol. Let's see how he does it. Do you need help? Yeah. Jensen's going to stop for a layout because he's crossing the road. Now they're chasing. Okay, going on a monkey. Yay! No! Guys, I thought we were going to see Georgia do the monkey bar. No. Okay, let's go see George now. Okay. There, Georgia's doing the monkey bars. Go, Georgia, go. It looks like everyone's doing them. Yeah. Because last time Georgia said she's going to show you the monkey bars, and now she is. Like they always say, you got to show the monkey bars. No, I'm doing that. Okay, now after this, we're going to see me do this. This is Helena doing this running thing. I think it's the exercise. Hello. And there's Jensen going around in a circle. And then Olivia's doing cool dude. And also, guys, you're going to see me doing that bike thing too. That's my favorite thing. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go see me do that bike thing. Wait a minute. Jensen. Can I go in there? Jensen, where are you going there? Hello. Jensen. Okay. Leah, I'm gonna go on that. Thank you for me. Mine. They've gone crazy. Next for me. What? Run it. I'm about to sprint. Oh, are you? Wait, this is easy. Okay, now I'm gonna have a go of this thing. So yeah. Let's go to the playground bit now. No! Okay, now go. Come on. Oh, we're gonna climb. Aaliyah, where's Aaliyah? Aaliyah, we have to climb. Okay, now they're climbing. I better start climbing too. Well, don't climb with the camera off. I already am. And it's videoing. Anymore. We'll get in trouble. Okay. Go. We're climbing with this camera. Okay, now. This is it. Okay, ready? Now I'm gonna cross this bridge. This one's the real tricky. Okay, now I'm gonna see you when we cross. So now we're gonna go back down. But Lee's phone fell down. Okay, now we're gonna pause. It isn't that scary. It's not 20 feet up in the air, Aaliyah. Oh, Aaliyah, you were wearing the same pants as last video. What was that video? Braywood. See, look how high Jensen is. No. Oh. Are you already up there, Jensen? Dun 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 dun. Where's Leah? Hey! Dun 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 dun. Oops. Dun dun. Water made it. Hey, up here. And dun 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 dun. Some wind. Okay. How was it? I still made it. He won against you. He won against you. Okay. Aaliyah, are you going to say anything, Aaliyah? Like and subscribe to Aussie Kids in Mexico. Bye.